I wore the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found for the past 90 days. This is what happened. I want to start off by saying I love this sneaker. At first, when I first put them on, I was questioning, how do these fit? Are these really gonna fit me? Because this is a 10.5. I usually do go in a 10.5 or an 11 in my Jordans. When it came to first wearing these though, this intersection right here by the laces, like right where it creeps up on your toe, was so uncomfortable. It was killing me, to be honest with you. And I thought, damn, did I get the wrong size? Do I really need to go a full size up on this new Air Jordan 1? And to be honest, I'm happy I didn't. I can report, after all this time, I'm happy I didn't. They did break in. This is a sneaker, I think you guys need to break them in. Because after 90 days now, these are extremely comfortable for a Jordan. Now, it doesn't compare to a runner. It doesn't compare to anything with Boost. It doesn't compare to anything like that. It is still a Jordan. It's still a Jordan 1. But for comfort, after you break them in, trust me, they get so much better when you wear them. Outfits. These were easy, to be honest with you, to wear for 90 days in a row. I know that seems outrageous. I know that seems like crazy. Danny, you really wore the same shoe for that long? Yes, I did. The reason why was, first of all, I love this sneaker and have been waiting for the Chicagos to come back for years because I did not want to pay that resale price. I did have a pair back in 2015, and unfortunately I sold them. So I knew personally when Chicagos were coming back out, they were being worn to the extreme. I do, of course, have a dead stock backup pair, so I'm good to go. I still have a brand new pair when this pair is eventually done for. But as you guys can see, they're not done for. This pair, to be honest, is still in really solid condition. Now, a huge benefit is the bottom being not that bad. If you guys do see, there is some star loss. There is some heel drag happening. In the beginning, when I first wore these, for the first month and a half, I went using Drip Grip sole protectors, the best sole protector on the market. The reason I used a sole protector is because of the bottom. You guys know when you get a brand new pair. Here's a brand new pair. So take a look at this dead stock pair. You guys see the details on the bottom. I wanted to preserve it as long as possible and not get dirt straight on it. As you guys see, I eventually did stop using Drip Grip. In that month and a half, I went through only 4 Drip Grip sole protectors, which I think was really, really good. So I'd wear a Drip Grip for about a week and a half, and then peel it off and go into a new Drip Grip sole protector. So there's plenty of wears out of the sole protectors. If you guys wear your sneakers, I highly recommend this product. I will have a link down below in the description, and make sure you guys use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order. I must say, Drip Grip definitely helped the outsole a lot. Eventually, I just took it off and said, you know what? I'm gonna wind up wearing them a lot, beat them to the ground. I do have a dead stock pair, so it's okay. I don't mind wearing these too much down into the ground. I'll save the Drip Grip for that pair later on, years down the line. But I'll continue to wear this pair without the Drip Grip sole protectors, so I decided about a month and a half into this to take it finally off. And that's why it definitely helped the bottom a lot. It certainly did. Creases! Yes, sir. There's some creases on these, which is to be expected. It has been 90 days. I did not use any type of protectors or anything like that inside of these. I just wanted them to be how they were. And like I said, I started off with Drip Grip, but then I took the sole protectors off. So I certainly did not use any crease protectors or any products or anything like that. And there is certainly some creasing here on the shoe. It's not awful, to be honest with you. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, as I was expecting. Yes, there is some creasing, but it's not awful. With this leather, with this cracked leather, it kind of looks like it's cracked, creased, if that makes sense. Yes, there is some creasing, but it's not awful whatsoever, which I'm very happy to say. The back, there is some creasing here on the leather on the back. That is because of wearing, also driving in these. For those of you that drive in your sneakers, you know what driving can do to the back heel, to the back of the shoe. It can cause creasing, which it has done here, cause some heel drag. So that's what driving does to your shoes. And for those of you that don't know, you may or may not want to drive in your expensive shoes. I have done everything in these sneakers, and I mean everything. The only weather condition I would say they haven't really been through yet is snow, because here in New Jersey there hasn't been snow, but they've been through rain, they've been through water, they've been through mud, they've been through dust, everything, slush, everything like that. They've been through a lot. I have cleaned them. We got to talk about cleaning them because I have to warn you guys. When it came to cleaning these, I was very careful. The reason why is because these bleed. I knew it was gonna happen. I have seen reports. It happened to my friend. I've seen plenty of news, and for some reason, even before that news, I had a feeling it would happen because of the leather, because of it being red. So the red does bleed onto the midsole, the upper, if you clean them with water. Do not do it. Be careful cleaning these. I only had a few scuffs, a few dirt marks throughout the shoe. To be honest, I've kept them majorly clean for the most part. They did have some dirt, of course, on the uppers, and I just took a wipe real quick and wiped it off, a shoe cleaning wipe. It came right off. That was it. When it came to the midsole and the outsole, after using Drip Grip, I did scrub it one time. That was it. Scrubbed it one time, gave it a good clean, and here they are. So, guys, I definitely recommend this sneaker. As far as the money, it is expensive, don't get me wrong, but if you're gonna wear them, enjoy them, and realize, hey, it still is a Chicago 1 for this price point. You can't really beat it. It is kind of almost the cheapest on the market for the OG Jordan 1 look. Cop them, wear them, enjoy them, beat them into the ground, because that is what I'm doing here with this pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. These are amazing. I'm so happy I've been wearing these down to the ground, guys. 90 days is a long time. 3 months of wearing the Lost and Founds, and I must say, I'm so thrilled and happy that I've been doing this. To be honest with you, I'm not done. I'm not done. I am taking a break right now on these because I've been wearing, that's right, the new white cement 3s. Here they are. I've been wearing these. So, this is the next wear test video. I'll be wearing these for 2 weeks before the release and let you guys know what sucks about the Jordan 3 white cement after 2 weeks of wearing them. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for this video right here. Giveaway for the white cement Jordan 3s, the reimagined 3s. I'm giving these away to one of you guys watching. All you guys need to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the More family, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Jordan 3s, and then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. DM me proof that you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Take a picture, take a screenshot, do what you gotta do, get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the white cement Jordan 3s. This giveaway ends at the end of March, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair. Make sure you guys subscribe for free sneaker giveaways. There is one more thing I do need to report to you guys, is the cracking. Surprisingly, the cracking does not fall off at all. I thought it would. I thought something would happen to the cracking. Nothing. I will say this, I do feel the cracking a little bit more now than ever. That might be because of wearing them, the leather, just how it is, the material. I definitely noticed that I feel the actual cracking now after 90 days more than ever before, especially on the toe box, the back heel. I actually feel the cracks more. It feels honestly really good, and on feet you don't notice the cracking, nothing like that. It is very comfortable. At the end of the day, you guys do see I do have the tape on the inside to protect my Nike Air. They're a clean, wearable, comfortable, everyday shoe for me. I love, absolutely love these fire, straight fire Jordan 1. Woo, Chicago Lost and Founds. 90 days in, and I'm gonna continue to wear them. Leave a comment and let me know if there's any other sneakers you guys want me to wear test. I'm not done wearing the Lost and Found Jordan 1s. I'm going to continue to beat these up, continue to wear them, enjoy them. I love this sneaker. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.